Hello everyone, my name is NB from Class of Python. We know many of the YouTube channels provide with technical language subjects such as course content, Python, C language, C++, all the subjects that are needed for a programmer. But we hardly find a course on basic programming or programming, right? So we will be starting a new series called Basic Programming. We will be releasing episodes one by one on a weekly basis or twice in a week. We'll be releasing one or two videos. So this episode series will continue till we complete all the basic programming. This series may contain 25 or 30 episodes. That depends on the number of concepts that we are going to cover. So if you have a friend who needs to start coding right away, do share this video with them, and they will be that will be very helpful for them. I know it is a crime saying share this video before even watching the video, right? So after watching the complete video, if you think it's worth it, do share with your friends. In order to learn programming, we need to solve as many problems as we can. So we will be solving one problem in each episode, possibly two in some episodes, and we will learn basic programming. So we will start reading the problem first and then we will go into the solution. So let's start. So given an integer and float value as input to the program, print the integer and float number with a precision of 2 decimal points. So we will be given with an integer and float value as input to the program. In general, there is no input at all here. There are two variables a and b. Those will contain the values integer and float, because we haven't seen how to take input from the user, right? So we will be dealing with variables right now. So a and b consists of a contains an integer and b contains a float number, and we need to print both the numbers, integer and float number, with a precision of 2 decimal points. We don't need any precision for integer, but we need precision for float, which is 2 decimals. So how is the output format? So print integer in the first line and print float number with 2 decimal points as precision in the second line. So here are two sample test cases that are given in the problem. A is equal to 27, B is equal to 34.7894. So the output should be 27, 34.78. And sample test case 2 is A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 0.81650. And the output will be 12, 0.81. So let's start solving this problem. In order to solve this problem, all we need to use is print function. So let's get started. So we have A is an integer, so which is 27, and B is equals to some 31.8237. This is the number. I'm taking general values. We will see the sample test cases output also. So we are having A and B. A is integer, B is float. And how do we know those are two data types, integer and float? We have a function called type that we can use to see whether which data type it is a variable. Let's see. If you want to print type of A, data type of A, you can use this type function and call type of A. And then we can use type of B so that you will get that. Let's execute this. And if you see here, we have class int and class float. So these are two types of data types that are present in A and B contains variables. By the way, if you're looking for a high package job, meet Relevel by Unacademy. They're providing a minimum package of 4 lakhs for non-tech roles, and they are providing 6 lakhs per annum for tech roles. And there is no age limit at all. Even if you're 18 plus or 40 years of age, there is no age limit and you can register for the Relevel test. After attempting the Relevel test, if you get 70% or more, you will be created with a Relevel profile. So that profile will be shared with companies like Grow, Elo.ai, Co, Upgrad. There are many more companies they offer you job. And after sharing that profile, you will be getting interviews from those companies. And if you attempt the interview and if you succeed, you will get a high package job. People are getting 15 lakhs also in that by using this platform. And if you think it is an expensive affair, no, it is completely free and you can take test. All you need to do is register with the link given in the description and attempt the test whenever you are free. All we need to do is use that print function and print these two numbers. Let's just print it here. Print A and print B. So let's see. See, you will be getting 27 and 31.8237. So, but we need to limit these decimal points to 2 digits. So how we are going to do that? Use formatting. %.2f ampersand B or comma B. You can use comma also. Just run it. See, 27 31.82. That is the result. And if you see the problem, so the input is 2734.7894. Let's just copy this. We'll replace it with B. And let's see if the output generates the required output. 79 is actually, so it is saying 78, but it is 79. So when we are limiting it, we will be converting that. So we will be restricting and we will making round off value. So we are rounding off this number to 34.79. Okay, and then A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 0.8165. So that will be 82, I think. Let's see if the system converts it properly. And here it is 12. So let's just run it. See, 12 0.82. So what we are doing is we are rounding off the float value to the 2 decimal points. That's it. So we solve the problem that is given in this here. After clicking the registration link in the description, you will get this page, relevel.com, and click on get hired, and you will be having 3 profiles. So 3 different types of wings that you can take test: business development test, back-end development test, and front-end development test. Let's say I like front-end development, or let's say I want to do front-end development test. So what you need to do is you can go to front-end development test and click on get hired. Once you click that, you will be asked to log in or sign up. So you can enter your number. After logging in, you will get this page, right? So click on get hired and pick a date, right? So you can pick any date from here. Let's just say 21st October. You can book the test. That's it. Fill all these details and you're good to go. That's it. If you like this video, hit that like button and share with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.